Hey everybody, welcome back to Simply Sarissa, and today I have another Walmart try-on haul. This time it is from a brand called Free Assembly, and what's special about this brand is that it is their first what I would call true utility chic line, and if I'm being honest, that is definitely my wheelhouse. Utility chic is just like basics that you can mix and match and wear all the time. They tend to be a little bit more on the casual side, but you can elevate it with like a blazer, lots of just really comfy t-shirts, t-shirt dresses, nice jeans, well-made structured jeans. So that's just everything that I love, and so I was intrigued with this brand. It is also extremely affordable, just true to Walmart's ways. And then they claim to be a little bit more sustainable or eco-friendly, and you can take that with a grain of salt because it is a huge corporation and they make hundreds of lines of clothing. So to try to make one line of clothing that is a little bit more sustainable, kudos to them for trying. Some of the wording was a little bit of a greenwashing in my perspective, but again, I don't go to Walmart looking for the same expectations as I would as a company like Patagonia or Pact. So they do have a couple of things on some of their tags, especially the jeans, that are LEED certified, and they also had fair trade certifications on their jeans. I did not see those certifications on any of the other items of clothing, but you can kind of do that research yourself, go down that rabbit hole if you really want to. But again, it is Walmart. So anyway, let me get right into the clothing haul because I do have several pieces, and I have a couple bonus pieces, aka this, that I want to explain too. So let's get into it. Okay, this is the bonus outfit I just wanted to show you. When I ran into Walmart the other day to do some exchanges, I actually saw this. It's Time and True. It costs like $19, $20, and it is not lined, but it does have pockets. The buttons do work, but it actually has this like permanent tie. So it's really adjustable, super cute. Really good length. I like it. It runs big though. I got a size small, which runs it says size small 4 to 6, and I normally wear like a medium-ish in a dress. So it definitely, you want to consider sizing down on that. I'm absolutely in love with this, so much so that you can see I already have a second one, and they had multiple color options. This is just the way the sleeves look with the button, if you're not going to roll them up like I do with the little hook, but I just love it. Oh, this is going to be my go-to summer dress. And it does have pockets. Then I want to just quickly touch on these shoes. I also found them. They are the Time and True brand too. They are under $8, and they definitely have that look for less, kind of like Reef or Billabong. There's a lot of brands that are making these little slides. It does have a little bit of memory foam. I got true to size. This is a 10, and I have plenty of room in them. I do like them a lot. And again, both of these were in store, and yeah, totally worth checking out. So this first dress, again, these are all Free Assembly from here on out, is probably one of the more expensive dresses. It is $39, and it is made in India. It's kind of like a rayon fabric. I wouldn't say it's the softest, most comfortable fabric. You know how sometimes that kind of rayon-ish is a little bit on the rough side? So it definitely kind of has that little bit of a feel, and I don't know if you can see it or not, like a little bit of a texture to it. I definitely like this a lot better now that I have steamed it. When I first got it out of the package, I was super unhappy with it. But let me know if you can tell. I feel like on this, for $39 from Walmart, I was a little bit frustrated because the fabric is thin and it is off center. If you can see that, I'm holding my camera straight, and this goes like up here and all the way down here. And then when you get really close, the seaming on the shoulders are off as well. So as far as construction, it's solid, but not consistent. It just doesn't feel quite straight. And this bugs me the most because this is like front and center, and I don't want to like wear the dress crooked, but it literally is pulling up here and just a little bit off for me. I'm not happy with that. There are no pockets on this one. I'm wearing just a bra and some Spanx underneath it, so I cannot see through it at the moment. I'm not sure if you were in full sun, if you could. The sleeves are loose enough, but not too low, so I do like that. I do like like the ease of this dress, and I love the color. It's more of a coral. I know on camera it kind of is coming off as a little bit more orange than it is, but it is more of like a kind of a mix between a coral and a burnt orange. It definitely has plenty of room. So again, bump friendly if you're in that phase of life. I mean, like for real, there's so much room to grow here if you needed it. All right, so what I'm wearing right now are their mid-rise boot cut in a true black, and one of their just softest, oh, I love this t-shirt. This t-shirt is such an interesting color. It's kind of, again, that modeled like a white with like a really interesting dusty pink kind of a color. And it's a medium. And so I love how this fits. It is so soft. It's one of those like pajama soft, really well worn feeling t-shirts. And for my body style, I love this length because I don't have too much fabric to work with and have to like have gathered up on my rear end. And so I can just front tuck it. And these shirts are, I think, $12. Love them. I would say I almost like this better than the Banana Republic ones that I normally buy. It's just comfortable, and I feel like it's made a little bit better than some of the Target ones that I was buying. I think they might be either New Day or Universal Thread, I can't remember, but I like this t-shirt a lot. And they had several color options, true to size for me, love it, definitely a keeper. And these are the mid-rise boot cut, like I said. This is the second time I've tried them on, and that probably helped because the first time I was doing some exercises trying to get these things on. This time's a little bit better, and they're supposed to be fit through, you know, the leg and then kind of have that boot cut feel. I just put them on with some flats though, so you could see the length. Again, I'm 5'8.5" for reference, super pear shaped. They definitely hug me really, really well. And now that I've worn them for a bit and I pulled them on and off a couple times, I would definitely say they fit better than I thought they were. They were almost impossible to get on at first. They are mid-rise for me, which could be a problem if you like higher rises because my belly button is just right here. And I have a very short torso, so they're not currently giving me a muffin top right now, but if you had a longer torso, I feel like they would definitely be on the lower side for you. Not horrible though, and they definitely come up high enough on the rear end for me so that I have no problems showing, you know, there's nothing showing if I do a bend over. As far as sizing though, like I said, for pear shapes, if you don't want them super tight, you might want to size up one. These are a size 8 for me. I'm kind of on the fence with this. They are only 90% cotton. They are 10% elastane. So I know they're going to stretch throughout the day. So I just don't know if I want to be like miserable for the first 20 minutes and then them fit super fitted, or if I'd rather them slide on a little bit better and I don't have to worry. So you may consider sizing up, but if you're a different body type, maybe more like straight, then I would probably say your true size works. As far as the quality goes, I do like it. It feels good, it feels solid. Yeah, the mid-rise are not bad. So this is the boyfriend blazer, and I probably shouldn't love this because of the length and where it hits on my whitest spot. But for a boyfriend blazer, I actually really enjoy it. It's really well made. I actually feel super feminine in it, and it is a true white. Oh man, and it's a lightweight fabric. So this is definitely something that you could wear spring well into summer, especially if you are like working in like an AC kind of a climate. This would definitely be something you could throw on and be fine in the office. I love how it kind of pulls in. You can see that in my higher kind of waist area. And the buttons are really cute. They have that just pretty detail, and they, you know, I like the juxtaposition from the white. They are true pockets. It is fully lined and it's made very well. Yeah, I'm kind of loving this. Look at that. It is on the more fitted side though. So I will say, definitely like a spring summer blazer. If you're going to be wearing like sweaters and stuff underneath it, you probably would want to size up. This to me is something to wear more like with a t-shirt or a cami. And because it does pull like a little bit, and I do have long arms, but still. And oh my gosh, it does have shoulder pads a little bit. Okay, this next dress is under $30. It is called their Flutter sleeve t-shirt dress. As you can see, again, medium. I always start with the medium because that's my general size anyway. I just got a black one. Does not have pockets. It's not lined. I will say it is 100% cotton, and the fabric is definitely good. I like the fabric. I like the quality of this one much better than the other dress. It actually has like a little, I don't know, like a pleat right here. And so it does truly have like that flutter sleeve. It's kind of cute. For me personally, I don't think I'm going to keep this for a couple reasons. It is very short for me, and the way that the dress is structured, if I lift my arms, you're going to be seeing chonies like real fast. And so I don't like that for me personally. And it is like more on the loose side. Again, like you have room to grow if you needed to. Just putting that out there. But it is very, very A-line cut, and it just like hangs that way. It doesn't kind of skim the body very well. And I cannot size down because of the length for sure. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you that idea. But again, I do like the thickness of it, and there is a center seam on this that goes all the way down. It's really giving me those like total 60s vibes though. I don't know, kind of go-go style. Okay, I know I'm not doing this brand any favors right now. This is the 3/4 sleeve swing dress, they're calling it. Again, super like 60s vibe to me. I don't know. And again, I got a medium, and the sizing just feels really off to me. It just, I feel like it's not really doing my body any favors. It just kind of hangs. And the fabric on this one is, it's primarily polyester with a little bit of elastane. So it's definitely like your grandma's polyester pants from the 80s. Like, I mean, it is totally that material. It has that like kind of, if you can see that like kind of textured look to it. Again, it's built well, and it's not uncomfortable. I mean, like this is super stretchy, super comfortable. Nothing hurts, you know, but again, for my body type, if I pull arms up, like even just not all the way, look how high that goes already. So if I had to like full on lift something up, you're seeing way too much. And I'm not sizing down again because of the length. And yeah, it's just, the color's pretty. It's a really soft blush pink. And it's just... I don't know, I just giggle when I put it on because I feel like it's just a kind of odd duck. But anyway, there's that. Just wanted to show you what it looked like. This one again is under $30 as well. Okay, this next piece is their sweatshirt long sleeve dress. Again, just for my pear shape, this is like not cut exactly the way I would like it to be. I will say it is comfortable. It is thick. It is, as you can tell though, it's just not doing me any favors personally, and it is on the short side. Let's see if I can get a side view for you. So again, I'm not going to be leaving the house in this anytime soon. I feel like it's not just really, you know, cinching me in where I like to be. And even though this fabric is super soft and comfortable, have any of you guys noticed this where it's like the outside is softer than the inside, and I wish it was flipped around. So if you look close up, it's just this beautiful, like really soft brushed gray and black, and it has that true sweatshirt detail. Really soft, you know, just, I love it. But then when you get to the inside, it's like that like little bit of a rougher feel that, you know, if you have hard water, it's gonna get like even more tough. So yeah, I don't know. I think this would do much better on maybe if you're a little bit more petite, and if maybe you had a different body style, maybe if you're a little bit more straight, or even hourglass. I'm not sure. I just feel like for the pear shape, it's not really helpful because it just boxes me out and it hits at my widest spot and keeps going. Okay, last two pieces of clothing. This shirt is definitely on the good price side as well. It is about $12 as well. But it's a completely different style of cotton t-shirt. It is paper thin, so I have a nude bra on, and I feel like you can even almost see a little bit of shadowing. So it's that thin, you need to be aware of that. But because it's such a loose fit, it doesn't like cling. So if you live in an extremely hot climate, I think this could be really good. I don't have any issues with it at all. It's super soft, but again, it's paper thin. But it's cute with the structure. I do like the little pocket. Oh, here you go. There's the tag. So that shows you how thin it is, so you can see the tag. But really nice collar detail. And I like where the sleeves hit me. It's definitely a boxy tee. I have bought several boxy tees from H&M in the past, and I pay anywhere from like $8 to $15 for those. And I feel like they're a little bit thicker, but this one quality-wise is not bad. And it just has cute details like that. And I like the length a lot. So I'll probably keep this for my like really hot summer days. And it's actually a mint green, which was not the color I thought I ordered. I'll put it below what color I ordered, but it is to me like a mint green. And these jeans, oh my gosh. Okay, these are what I had the highest hopes for. I have a really good pair of mom jeans from Banana Republic that I have been obsessed with and just wore them to the ground. And then I replaced them with Everlane 90s cheeky jeans, which I love so much. And on those, in the Banana Republic, they were a 28, and in the 90s cheeky Everlane, they were 29s. These, I got a size 8 just to see. So I would definitely probably want to size up in these. I cannot keep these. They're just a little too tight. I'm kind of sausaged into them. And what I love about them, though, is they are 99% cotton. So to me, they are like the true, like, just true perfect jean texture and fabric and thickness. And that's what I love. I can even wear like when they're this much cotton all the way into summer. So I think I'm going to just take these back and then order a size up. I'm going to get a 10 in them because I do have hope for them. But my only concern is I didn't have options with length. And with as tight as they are right now, they literally fit me almost like capri pants, which is definitely not my favorite. So I'm hoping that when I size up, the length will drop a little bit. So that does it for my free assembly clothing haul with my bonus of the time and true items. I hope this helps you. And even though this probably isn't the most like, oh, you should buy this, you have to have this type of a clothing haul, I thought it was super important to show you all of the line as far as everything I tried, because that's kind of what we're here for in the first place. Is I am trying products and trying to review them to make sure that you know what you're getting before you go in and make that purchase, you know? So whether this line of clothing is for you or not for you, I hope that I gave you a little bit of insight into that. And until next time, I'll see you soon.